Happy New Year. No matter where you are, whether it's in Australia and we've already had New Year's Eve there, or on the East Coast or on the West Coast like me, Happy New Year. I want to talk about your goals real quick. First of all, I'm going to have me a little sour apple martini, but this is healthy. This is zero carb, isopure protein drink. Whether you are wanting to work on your revenge body, or you're wanting to work on your career, or you're wanting to work on your goals. Hello, Tammy. Happy New Year, my love. It is so beautiful. Look at the view. I know you're skiing right now in the beautiful mountains. Cheers. I'm having my protein drink. So no matter what your goals are, whether it's to work on your revenge body, whether it's to age in reverse, to work on your career, to relax more, to find your inner zen, to detox your inner circle, to revamp your energy, your wellness program, lose weight, get in shape, to have the energy to take care of a sick loved one. No matter what your goals are, I'm dedicated to that. You know, I've always had this really great gift that God gave me to be able to shift and adapt like water to anybody's needs, because I was raised on food stamps. I was raised having to take care of myself. I had to find a way. So that really prepared me to be a dedicated and loving life coach, to go the extra mile for you, because I've witnessed it so many times in my life. When you are able to never give up and be persistent, not perfect, you're able to achieve your goals that much more. So I just wanted to pop on here real quick and just show you the view and just tell you I love you guys, and I wish you the healthiest and the healthiest New Year's ever. And just know that when you believe in angels, they appear. Now that goes to all of my VIPs, some that I've known for a long time, some that I've recently had a really blessed chance to get to know. And I always know that it's not how long you know someone, it's the quality of the relationship. You could say I love you to someone, but then there's that unbreakable bond. And I just love having that unbreakable bond with each and every one of you. So from my heart to yours, Happy New Year. New start, new beginnings, new 365 days, a whole new page. It's a blank book. We're closing the chapter 2019. Thank you for the hearts. Sally, I love you. I just don't want to miss a second of it. I want to see you guys blossom as you are planting seeds in your life. I want to see you guys blossom and grow and continue to achieve all of your dreams. And I feel like I'm crouching down, so let me just fix this. There we go. Better. I was like, hello. So I love that you maybe want to work on your revenge body. Woo! Sirens, ring the bell. Call the sheriff. Call the sheriff. Sorry, it was me. They're like, there's a lady on the balcony getting really excited. It's me, guys. But whether you want to work on that healthy body, find your zen, find your inner peace, guess what? Work on your financial prosperity. Add more quality to your life. No matter what your goal is, you can have it all. Look at this abundant universe we live in. I'm going to keep this message very short so you can go back to enjoying your New Year's with your family and loved ones. But I just felt so moved to take the time to stop what I was doing and say, you know what, let me just send a big, quick jolt out to everybody. Thoughts become things. So dream big, work on your vision boards, work on your vision journals, write what your goals and dreams are, and then go crush them. Now, I will be by your side, rooting you on, and I want each and every one of you to have a great New Year's Day tomorrow on January the 1st, 1/1/2020. Woo, it's here. I know I've been wearing these for a while, but now I get to really enjoy them for real with the celebrate button headband here. So I celebrate you. I celebrate you every day. And in closing, you have a network of women that are cheering you on. You have a dedicated coach for all the VIPs. And I feel like that's where the magic and miracles are. There's no distance, time, or space that can stop any of the miracles and the blessings, because when you have a blessing with your name on it, he, she, it cannot stop that. They cannot stop that. When the door is open for you and it is nailed open Nobody can shut it. No man can shut that door. So walk boldly into the new year with faith and your VIP power on high, and know that I'm rooting for your success. And I love you so much. I will see you guys very soon in the new year, and I'm always here, just a text, phone call, WhatsApp, email away, and I'm always sending you tons of positive energy. So keep on shining. Miracles are on the way, so never give up and get excited. Get those butterflies in your tummy again. Get that heart, your heart feeling all excited again, like we used to when we were young. You can still feel that way every day. Keep your VIP power on high, and I will see you in 2020. God bless. I believe in you. Hi, Terry. Hi, Sally. Hi, Nina. Love you. Happy New Year, James, Tammy. God bless you, and I love you. And just all praises go to God, because at the end of the day, that's all we have. So just be grateful. Be so grateful. I love what Alicia said in our chat. She said, playtime is over. Stop pretending. I really want it for real. Let's do it for real. Let's do it for real. Let's stop playing around and just wasting time. 2020 is your year. I believe in you. Love you. Bye, guys. Thank you. It's cozy, actually. It's like a pajama. Love you, and have a great night. Happy New Year, and I believe in you.